Yun, is on. Yung nga, yung maliit lang, bite size.
One more trevally with the
Yun.
professional. Mashallah. Good boys, huh?
Trevally, yeah. Really good
Trevally,
size.
huh? Hello GoPro, start recording.
Atlas Cup.
Huh? Okay.
Malaban.
Magic syrup man.
Magic.
Magic syrup man. Take care of your line.
So it will tangle.
Ayun, dami oh, yung mahabol yan oh.
If you feel his line, don't pull. Pull with him slowly. But if it's been free, خلاص go up.
Yes. Good size to.
You need gaff or you can.
I will try.
He has a good line. Oh, I know. What kind of fish is that, Cap?
It's maybe lapis, maybe small bonito like this.
Oo nga.
I think small bonito.
I will cast.
If lapis we can see in the boat, under the boat.
Baka lapis nga yan. Ang dami na, yan na oh. Kaya maraming trevally sila alim eh. Baka yung maliit na isda dyan, nahabol nila.
Yung mga yan.
Ayun na oh.
Just cast your jig and leave it to go down slowly, 10-15 meters, then pull.
Green, so may green kayo. Green to eh. Pero magaan lang. 30 grams yata ito.
Coming under your line. Yeah, wait. Give me here.
Okay. Nice.
Woo! Yes!
Good job.
Unlock ko to ngayon. Ngayon pala ako nakahuli nito. Oh, picture agad.
Kita mo dito, Biak. Green, no? Ang colorful. Okay, Biak.
Okay. Ay, sa wakas, nakahuli.